Starting with the great name of Allah who is Rahman and Rahim. Good afternoon everyone. First and foremost, I want to thank my great sir who gave me such a golden opportunity, who believed me and trust me and gave this wonderful opportunity. Good afternoon everyone. This is me, Uzma Zahoor, and today my presentation topic is about a very crucial and very important topic, women's empowerment. As we know, first of all, I want to ask you that what do you know about women's empowerment? Do you have any idea about women's empowerment? So no, we don't know anything about women's empowerment, but we always say that we are promoting feminism. What kind of feminism we are promoting? So now I want to share my views with you all what I have about this topic. So women's empowerment means giving freedom and giving freedom to the women that they choose what they want to do and take their own decision by their own self. And also they feel that yes, their existence happen alone in a family, not just in a family, in a whole nation. So according to my research, 30% females are independent, but they depend with their family support. But also 10% females are also independent, but they independent without any family support. But 60% females are dependent on others. Why it happen? Why it happen in our country? Because we are follow the rules of 1990, 2001, and we are blaming the society and the area. It is the weakness. It's not just the weakness of society and the area. It is the weakness of our mentality. Because we always think that women can't do anything, but it's not a reality. The reality is something else. There is a very famous line that if woman is happy, the house is happy. The house is happy, the society is happy. The society is happy, the state will be happy. When the state will be happy, the country will be peaceful and happy. It means that women not just play a role in the home and in the society, she plays the role in a whole country. If we change the mentality of the people and we give the idea to our women to become an independent woman, so in the future our country will become independent, but not just independent. The economy will be growth and our female will be growth also. If we can see in our society, female are not empowered. They just think we are dependent on others. When they go somewhere or they do anything, first they take the permission. So it means that our females are not independent and not empowering. We should try to empower our females. This was me, Uzma Zahoor, standing in front of you all.